Hey guys, this is PHON-ER Gold. This is vlog 125. Today is August 24, and we are just a number up from the 24 to 25, 125. So we just got a call from I guess the referral from our previous customer Lily, and this girl, her name is Athena. She works at this Melrose hair salon or somewhere. It's like a salon of some kind. I'm pretty sure it's a hair salon, and she pretty much wants us to fix her iPhone 7 rose gold, which is the nice pinky one, you know. And so we are just gonna head out there right now and just make her happy and see how it goes down. So you're coming with, so let's do this and let's drop it like it's gonna happen. Down now. Peace. See you soon. Cut. Hey guys, it's PHON-ER Gold 125 vlog, and we are almost there. We're 8 minutes away. It's a little congested because I guess it's like a Thursday, which is kind of like a Friday in Hollywood, and usually in Hollywood there's usually traffic around this time because people are just out and about and tourists and etc. So that's what we're looking at right now, and we're 8 minutes away, 1.6 miles. I'm taking the back street. I'm taking Clinton right there because Melrose is congested because of all the boutiques and all the shops and just a lot of people parking, exiting. So pretty much, yeah, we should be there in 8 minutes. So see you guys there. Thanks for watch, and we'll see you so soon. Peace out. Hey guys, we are here, and it looks like there's people shooting some photos and stuff on the right, as you can see right now. There's people just doing some photo shoots. I mean, we're like literally recording their photo shoot, and I think we're gonna get lucky right now and park here. Oh, there's no parking? Shit. Well, parking, yeah, we're good. We were able to find a parking by some miracle, so it's cool. Pretty good. Guys, we're here. It should be here somewhere. I think this is the one. This is WEHO place. It's called WEHO. I'm sure, but it looks like it's the one. We'll show you when we leave the car, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are here at this place called Crossroads, and apparently, even though there's no single sign, this guy's claiming that I can't really park here, which I'm going to because that's the principle of it. So I guess we'll see what happens. If there's a ticket, you'll see. You saw it first, so follow me through. Peace, cut. Right. Alright guys, so we are here at this place called WEHO, I believe. That's what it's called, but it's pretty much a hair salon. And we're gonna do the phone right here on this gold map thingy, so it's kind of cool. That's the phone. Hey, it's so crazy. The guy at the valet planted the Crossroads place, right? I know. He was trying to tell me that even though there's no sign, even though I'm so chill, I'm of like good energy, right? I don't want to like even make a fuss, but it's like you cannot park here. I'm like, show me a sign that says restaurant only, right? You know how like on Robertson, over there, like there's a sign that says valet parking only, you cannot park. I'm like, there's not a sign. It's like,
no, they're so rude over here.
Yeah, and so he was like, what? It's up to you if you want to get a ticket. I'm like, please. I haven't put the video on. I'm like, if I get a ticket, there's gonna be like a headlining on KCAL 9. Or like such a fraud, you know. And it's like he was literally like he So and then there's like a lot of people there, you know, like a lot of people like getting valet, and he was so like.
So did you park there or no?
Yeah, I parked it. I'm like, I dare you to ask the people to give me a ticket. I'm like, I dare you. You know?
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna stand up for my people, you know. Yep. Okay. I was gonna say because your frame is a little bent, the frame, this thing isn't really landable. But as you use it, it'll adapt and it'll just take it. But I mean, the good news is that you have this, so you have like a kind of like your heart wouldn't go down in your hand. Like just go inside the phone and make sure your camera and everything works. I usually do it for you, but since you're already here, you might as well. And that's an Apple original screen, so it's not.
You already done?
Yeah. I'm pretty quick.
I can selfie again.
How do you do that?
I'm just a magician from a different planet. Here's how my car is.
Tell him your car story.
Oh, my car story in front of the Crossroads. Yeah, it's a famous one. It's everywhere.
Well, how do you do it?
What do you mean? Like,
is it a new glass?
It's an Apple.
It's
a
whole.
Apple screen, right?
The whole thing is changed. The LCD and the glass. Because otherwise you can't really like do just the glass because it's impossible. You need like a $4,000 machine that separates them and like glues them back 6-4 hours to dry. Just quicker to do the whole swap, you know?
Amazing.
Awesome. Thank you. On this one over there, in case people want to take it.
You're so awesome.
And then next time when you break your screen, it'll be cheaper. You get like a credit towards.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're awesome. Have a great day.
Thank you. And then this one, do you mind?
Yeah, I'll throw it away.
And do you mind saying thank you to the camera?
Huh?
Say to the camera. Okay. And that's for YouTube. So and that will conclude. Thank you for watching this vlog 125, and we'll see you in vlog 126. Thank you.